HDL. Now, cholesterol is synthesized endogenously from acetyl coenzyme A, and the key enzyme that is important for that is HMG coenzyme A reductase. Now, cholesterol is absorbed in the intestine and is taken up by the chylomicrons along with the phospholipids and triglycerides and proteins. Then the chylomicrons move in the blood and then they supply triglycerides to the tissues which need it for energy or storage. Now, capillaries contain an enzyme called lipoprotein lipase that hydrolyzes the triglyceride to fatty acid. Now, this fatty acid goes at two places. In muscle, it goes for energy, and in adipose tissue, it goes for storage. After the hydrolysis of the triglycerides, the chylomicrons start to shrink, and then the remaining particles are called chylomicron remnants. These chylomicron remnants then go up into liver and end up there. The liver now packages these cholesterol and triglycerides into particles and form VLDL, very low lipid lipoproteins. Now this VLDL again goes in the blood circulation. Again there is hydrolysis of the triglycerides to fatty acids, and then again there is supply to muscle tissue and adipose tissue. Now the intermediate lipid or lipoprotein, that is IDL, is left. Intermediate density lipoprotein. Then IDL is converted to LDL, low density lipoprotein. The function of LDL is to transport cholesterol to the tissues, peripheral tissues, and so they take up by this cholesterol by endocytosis. Now the cholesterol is used in the cell to maintain the cell membrane integrity or to make hormones, and the excess of the cholesterol is again released out in the form of HDL, high density lipoprotein. Now this HDL again then goes to the liver, and the liver uses it to form bile. So now why LDL is a bad cholesterol and HDL is a good cholesterol? Because when there is a lot of build of LDL, it leads to settlement or plaque buildup inside the vascular vessels, and this can lead to cardiovascular diseases. It can lead to heart attacks and strokes. But HDL, it helps in removing the excess of the cholesterol, and so it is known as a good cholesterol.